Okay, so when the macro lens is attached to the Action 6, obviously it allows you to get closer to things so you can see things clearer. The other thing it allows you to do is open the eyeball up to f2. I think there's a dog running after. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! It's going the other way. Anyway, yeah. The other thing the macro lens allows you to do is open the eyeball up to f2. The only other way to open the eyeball up to f2 is when you're in super night mode. And I'm not a massive fan of super night mode. So if I was doing low light shooting, I would definitely whack the macro lens on, because obviously you want the best of the best. And the best of the best is obviously f2. So let's take a walk so you can see how the macro lens looks in f2 on Mr. Action 6 in low light, just in case you're thinking of doing the same. Yeah, let's get away from this dog. I know some of you have commented in other videos that you love the, what's the word I'm looking for? The architecture, that's the word, architecture of the London scenery when I'm filming around London, the buildings and all of that. So, here you go. Here's some buildings, here's some London buildings. You know what, I don't know what that is over there. That is a gallery. I don't know what it's called though. It's an art gallery. But yeah, here are some of the London architectures. This is my favourite. Oh, please. Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, 1 sec. That police van was not stopping. I was about to be taken out live through the macro lens on the Action 6. Anyway, here's one of the original black cabs. So like these are like the old school black cabs, not the electric ones. You can hear how old it is because you can hear the engine. I don't know if you can hear it now. It's like and here is a white black cab. Well, it's not called a white black cab, but it's a black cab, but it's white. So yeah, it's a white cab. Right, we're on, well, what are we on? We're on New Bond Street. So this is where the money is, yeah? This is where the dollar is. But as you can see right here, this is new London architectures in the making. I don't actually know what's going here, or what was here, but, hold on. 36,000 square feet of world-class luxury retail. Yeah, I told you, we're on New Bond Street where the money is. So anyway, this is London architectures in the making. Oh, yeah. I told you, we're right by the money. What is this? Look at this. Woo! Yeah. I told you, we're on. Are we in or on? We're on. We're in New Bond Street, where the money is. Look at the watches. Look at the watches. Oh, we got the Porsches. Is it Porsche? Hello, you got the Porsche. Look at the Porsche. Okay, we got the Burbs. And we got the Louis V. We got the Chanel. We got the Dior. We got another Porsche. Look. Oh yeah. Bad boy wagon. This is the bad boy wagon. 25 plate as well. Look, he's got a parking ticket, but they ain't gonna care about the parking ticket. To them, this is just the fee. This is just the fee to park. Oh no, we got a Porsche with, I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera. This would be a good test. Probably not, because it's really dark on my screen. But basically, it's got cling film. Oh, is it cling film because it needs repair? Oh no, it's cling film because it's fresh. It's brand new. I thought it, no, it can't be. It's got sellotape on the number plate. Look at this. Can you see it? Okay, you can definitely see that. I was gonna say, oh no, it's got graffiti. It's got graffiti on the bonnet. Can you see that? It's got a parking ticket as well. Okay, it's not a good day for whoever owns this Porsche. It is not a good day. This is really dark. Yeah, you probably can't see it, but just know this Porsche is not in a good state. But one that is in a good state is this bad boy. Oh yes. There it is. Is it a Porsche? I'm not good with... Oh yeah, it is a Porsche. There it is. That one's in a good state. No sellotape on the number plate. No cling film on the window. And now we're coming up to the architectures of all architectures. Can you see it? There it is. This is what I like to call the advert screen. I mean, there literally is no other word for it. It literally is the advert screen. Look, there's a whole massive Samsung advert. I don't know what the actual name for it is. Maybe it's just a screen, but I call it the advert screen. There's another mini one up there. I mean, it's got nothing against this though, so it's up there trying to do its thing. Every time I drive or walk past this lint shop, which is fairly new-ish, I think it's been open a few months. Look at it. I always say to myself, I need to go in. Look at the big lint. Look at the big lint. Is that? It can't be real, can it? That one's not real. Those ones are real. But anyway, there's like a bar thing. Can you see it at the back? It sells like the hot chocolates, the lint chocolate shakes, mate. But I'm holding back. I'm holding back right now because, mate, that shake is going to be calorific. I'm trying to be semi-good in January. I'm not a massive fan of setting all these resolutions because I think there's already too much pressure. Like, everyone just puts so much pressure on themselves already. Why add to it? But one thing I have to definitely admit is I had too much sugar in December. So I said not loads of sugar in January. So you know what? We will definitely come back and get a lint chocolate shake at some point. Look, they got the what's it called? I forgot the word. The pistachio Dubai chocolate. Not a massive fan of that myself, not gonna lie. But you know, I'm willing to... Oh no, I have tried it. It's the green one. No, I have tried it. I'm not a massive fan of it. Oh shit. Right here, we got Moulin Rouge, the musical. Oh yes. If you're looking for a sexy kind of show, I can highly recommend Moulin Rouge, the musical. I saw it a couple of years ago. I'm actually going to see Hercules, the musical, next week. That'll be the first time for that. And then in a couple of months, I'm taking my mum to see Lion King, the musical. I've seen it 3 times. She's never seen it. I love a musical. And I have seen Wicked 15 times. Wicked, the musical. Yes, 15 times, 1-5. That's my favourite musical of all musicals, but I haven't been for a couple of years. Usually, I was going about 2 or 3 times a year, but I gave it a rest for a couple of years. So I think it's time this year to go back and make it the 16th, possibly 17th visit of seeing Wicked the musical. This right here is, as you can see, the world famous nightclub. It's the Windmill nightclub, but it's not just any nightclub. It's like a table dancing nightclub. But as you can see, it doesn't look like there's too much activity going on. The doors are shut, locked. That's because it got shut down. Oh yes, it got shut down because they were doing naughty things. They were doing naughty shit behind closed doors. It's a table dancing nightclub, so I don't think you need me to spell out to you what kind of naughty shit they were doing. But yeah, goodbye, world famous Windmill nightclub. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the London architectures, but let's not forget what we were doing and why we were doing it. Macro lens in f2. Is it good enough for you?